day, ma'am and sir. I am Ellen Pindy Pabalinas. I am 34 years old from Fatima General Santos City. I am a college level of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing. I have two kids, 11 and 6 years old. I have a live-in partner. Uh, I have work experience in UAE for 2 years with one employer with 4 kids, 10, 8, 6, and 4 years old.
Okay, then what is your daily routine there?
My daily routine there is I wake up at 5:30 a.m. to prepare breakfast for the kids. After that, I wake them up to then I bring them to the washroom to wash their face, then bring them to the table to eat their breakfast. Then after that, I brush their teeth, and after brush their teeth, I change their clothes to go to school.
Okay, then how about in the afternoon and in the evening?
In the afternoon, I will pick the kids from school. Then after in school, I prepare for lunch. Then after that, I bring them to their activities like soccer uh, and gymnastic. After gymnastic, I will go back to their house to
Okay, then what is your next work activities there?
in the house. I play with them like then I make story for them. After that, in the evening, I will change their clothes, prepare their foods for dinner. After that, wash their teeth. Then I make them sleep. Before they make the sleep, they want me to make a story to them.
Okay, then what time you should go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 p.m.
Okay, how about the household chores?
Uh, they have two nannies.
Okay.
I am for the children, and the other nannies is for cleaning in the house.
Okay, so what is your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, if you hire me, I promise I finish my contract and I will extend it if you need me. Thank you.